Hi, I am Krishnaveni, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Kamadinu Arts and Science College, Satyamangalam. Today we are going to discuss about Java variables and data types. First one is Java variables. The variables are container for storing data values. There are different types of variables are available in Java. For example, string. String store text such as hello, that is string values are surrounded by a double quotes. Next we have the int. It stores only integer values without decimals. Next we have the float. Float stores floating point number with decimals such as 19.99 or minus 19.98 etc. Next we have char. Stores the single character such as A or capital B etc. So the char values are surrounded by a single quotes. Next we have boolean. Stores values with two states, either true value or false value. Next we have declaring variables. To create a variable, you must specify the type and assigning it values. Syntax for declaring a values: type variable name equal to values, where type is the one of the Java type and variable name is the name of the variable. Variable name is the name of the variables and the equal sign is used to assigning values to the variables. For example, create a variable is called name of the type string and assigning it the value John. String is a data type, name is a user defined name equal to John. John is a value, so the value John is assigned to the variable name. System.out.println, we have the variable name, so here we have print the value John. To create a variable that should store a number, look at the following example. For example, create a variable is called minum of the type and is the data type is an integer and assigning it values to 15, that is int minum equal to 15. Here the value 15 is assigned to the variable minum, so the variable of the type integer. So system.out.println minum, so here the minum have the value 15. You can also declare the variable without assigning the value and assigning the value later. For example, just here you just declaring the variable and then you are assigning the values. So int minum is the variable name of the type integer. Next minum equal to 15. 15 is a value, that value is assigned to minum. Here system.out.println, here we have the minum, so the minum value is 15. If you assigning a new value to an existing variable, it will overwrite the previous value. For example, change the value of minum from 15 to 20. Int minum equal to 15. First we are assigning 15 to minum and then change the value 20 to minum. System.out.println minum. Now the minum value is 20. Next we have the final variable. If you don't want others to overwrite the existing values, we are using the keyword final. For example, final int minum equal to 15. Here final is the keyword, integer is the data type, minum is the variable name, 15 is the value. Next we have changed the value. So minum, first time we are assigning 15 to minum, then we are assigning 20 to minum. Here we are generating an error, so cannot assigning a value to a final variables. Next we have the other types. So we are how to declaring the variables of other types. For example, int minum equal to 5, the value 5 is assigned to the variable minum of the data type integer. Next we have the float. Float is the data type, minum float num is the variable name and the 5.99f is a value, so that value is assigned to my float num. Next we have data type character, my letter equal to D, so the value D is assigned to my letter. Next we have the Boolean data types. My bool equal to true. So the true value is assigned to my bool. Next we have the string data type. So my text is a variable name, hello is a value. So the hello value is assigned to my text. Next we have Java data types. So integer, float, character, boolean and string. These are all the Java data types. The data types are divided into two groups. One is for the primitive data types, another one is for the non-primitive data types. The primitive data types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and char. Non-primitive data types such as string, arrays and classes. First one is for the primitive data types. The primitive data type specified the size and type of variables and it has no additional methods. There are 8 primitive data types is available in Java. So primitive data type byte, that size is 1 byte. So the data type is short, the size is 2 byte. The data type is integer, the size is 4 byte. And the data type is long int, the byte size is 8 byte. Next we have data type is float, the size is 4 byte. And the data type is double, the size is 8 byte. And the boolean, the size is only 1 bit because the value is either true or false. Last we have the char, the size is 2 bytes. Next we have the Java operator. The operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. For example, we are using the plus operator to add together two values. For example, int x equal to 100 plus 50. So, the plus operator is often used to add together two values like an example above. It can also used to add together a variable and values or variable and another variable. For example, int sum equal to 100 plus 50. So, the value 150 is assigned to someone. Next, int sum2 equal to sum1 plus 250. So, the sum1 have the value 150. That 150 is added to 250. So, the value is 400. So, now the value 400 is assigned to sum2. Next, int sum3 equal to sum2 plus sum2. So, the sum2 have the value 200. This sum2 value have the 200. So, 200 plus 200, 400. Suppose 200 plus 200 means the value of 400 is added to sum3. Here, sum2 value is 400. So, sum3 equal to sum2 plus sum2. So, sum2 value 400 plus 400. Totally, the value is 800. So, the total value is assigned to, that means 800 is assigned to sum3. Java divides the operator into following groups: arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator and bitwise operator. First one is for the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus, increment and decrement operators. Next we have the Java assignment operator. So the assignment operator is used to assigning value to variables. For example, the assignment operator equal sign is to assigning the value 10 to a variable is called x. Here int x equal to 10. So here the value 10 is assigned to the variable x. So the addition assignment operator plus and equal to sign adds the value to a variable. For example, int x equal to 10, x plus equal to 5. So the value is incremented. So the list of all assignment operators are equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to and slash equal to. Here the example equal to sign, we are using x equal to 5, the value is as it is. So here x plus equal to, so x plus equal to 3. Here x equal to x plus 3. So the x value is 5, 5 plus 3. Here the 8. So the value 8 is assigned to x. Next we have minus equal to sign. So x minus equal to 3. Here x equal to x minus 3. Here x value is 5 minus 3. So the value 2 is assigned to variable x. Next we have star equal to. So x equal to star equal to 3. So x equal to x star 3. So the value x is 5. 5 star 3 equal to 15. So the value 15 is assigned to x. Next is class equal to. So x class equal to 3. So x equal to 5 by 3. Java comparison operators. The comparison operators are used to two values. This is more important in programming. So this is used for to finding answer and make decisions. So the written value of the comparison is either true or false. So these values are known as Boolean values, and you will learn more about the Boolean and else. So in the following example we are using the greater than operator is greater than to find if 5 is greater than 3. For example, int x equal to 5, y equal to 3. System.out.println x is greater than 5. X value is 5 and y value is 3. So 5 is greater than 3. So return true because 5 is higher than 3. Next we have the operator, equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than, less than. Next greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Thank you.